Nelson Cole Apartments is located in Station North and comprised of 103 contemporary market-rate apartments. This project transformed a once abandoned and derelict parking lot into a grand artistic gateway into the district. Amenities include gallery space, a gymnasium, an 8th-floor community space, a residence library, 8th-floor deck that serves as an outdoor space, as well as bicycle racks and a retail space on the ground floor in response to community needs. "1405 Point is the first standalone apartment building at the growing Harbor Point waterfront development, rising 17 stories above Baltimore's Inner Harbor. Each of the 289 residential units feature floor-to-ceiling windows and premium finishes. Residents have access to a variety of best-in-class amenities, including an 11th-floor pool overlooking the Inner Harbor, 24/7 fitness center with a private yoga room, and an entertainment media lounge with a full event kitchen. 1405 Point also includes 18,000 square feet of street-level retail space. The SNF Parkway transforms the original 1915 building into a beautifully restored 420-seat movie theater and adds 2 smaller screening rooms, a public lounge with a bar, box office with concessions, and offices and support space for the year-round operations of the Maryland Film Festival. It is also utilized by the Johns Hopkins University and Maryland Institute College of Art Joint Film Program. The new SNF Parkway stands as a physical record of the technical and cultural evolution of film from its earliest days to today. DMG Foods Grocery Store is an innovative social enterprise solution to Baltimore City's chronic food insufficiency and gets its namesake from the Salvation Army's motto, "Doing the most good." Situated on the edge of a food desert, DMG Foods provides a clean, affordable place for residents of the local community to purchase fresh and healthy food and expand their cash or food stamp dollars through nutrition and smart spending education, wraparound social service offerings, and supplemental food items provided at no cost. DMG also addresses the need for specialized training opportunities in the grocery industry through a workforce development program and partnership agreements with several area supermarket chains. The Porter Street Apartments is a 223-unit LEED Silver apartment building at McHenry Row, which continues 28 Walker Development's transformation of the former Phillips Seafood property into a thriving mixed-use community within Baltimore's Locust Point neighborhood. This urban redevelopment project provides an exciting sense of place through a collaboration of site use that consists of a revitalized office building, an apartment building, a brewery, and various public-private outdoor spaces. 500 Park redevelops a long-standing surface parking lot into 153 market-rate apartments, 130 parking spaces, and 3,000 square feet of street-front retail. The project is programmed to meet the modern needs of its residents with amenities such as an Uber Lyft waiting area at the front entrance, package receiving systems, a casual lounge and adjacent patio courtyard, and a fitness room all within sight of the front door. An elevated pool and deck abutting Park Avenue create the ultimate urban scene. One West Mount Vernon Place was originally gifted to the Walters Art Museum to serve the museum's ever-growing collection of Asian art. After several decades of service, the 167-year-old Greek Revival mansion needed an extensive renovation. An art piece in itself, millwork, plasterwork, decorative metalwork, and the prominent circa 1892 Tiffany glass skylight were restored to exacting historic preservation requirements. One West Mount Vernon Place reopened with the purpose of better connecting present-day Baltimoreans with the mansion's history, including artisans and craftspeople involved in its construction, the families that inhabited it, and the enslaved people who served them. 706 Giddings Avenue transforms a former Class C medical office building generating below-market rents to a premier Class A office building, with the typical commercial buildings in the village of West Annapolis creating an abundance of outdated stock. 706 Giddings now leads the way in redevelopment. Despite restrictive zoning in the area that results in constricted floor plates and low ceiling heights, 706 Giddings Avenue proves it's possible to profitably redevelop in a forward-thinking way.